This was made using Kling motion control for absolutely free. Let me show you how. First, use the invite link to create your account. Once you sign up through the link, you'll automatically receive 100 free credits. If you need more later, you can earn additional credits by inviting your friends to the platform. Now click Apps from the left sidebar. Once the page loads, open the motion control tool. Upload your character image and your reference video, then click Generate. In just a few minutes, your motion-controlled video will be ready. I also tested Wiggle AI's mimic motion using the exact same character and reference video. One has also introduced a new music to dance feature. Simply upload your character image and your music file, choose a dance style, and click Create. Within a few minutes, one generates a dance video that's synchronized with your music. It's another easy way to create AI dance videos. If you have an interesting use case for this feature, let me know in the comments. If you want to see Dance's motion control in action, check out this video next. It's on your screen right now.